Okay, so here is the Ricoh Auto Half SE2. So when you want to open the back cover, opening here, push it down, and here's the dummy roll. Put it inside and push it up. Make sure it's fully up. Okay, yeah. Then rewind. Okay. And we just close it like that. Then we just turn. Inside have a motor, so we just like turn a few round, then just click it. Yeah. Then here is you set it at auto, which is fully auto mode. Then here inside is the ISO. Just now the film is 400, so I just set it at 400. If you're using flash, then only you adjust the ring at the outside. If not, you just put it at fully auto, will be okay. Okay, so about the timer, you just press it down, press it, it will start counting. It's using a cylinder meter, so it doesn't need any battery at all. Okay. Then when you view into the viewfinder, you will find out at the center point there, got a red dot, which means that the current situation is not allowed to shoot. If you shoot, it will be underexposed. If I turn, yeah, you see, it become yellow because it's bright enough. So here is a sensor. If it sense is bright enough, then it will show yellow. If show red, which means that if you shoot, it will be underexposed. Yeah. So when you didn't use it, you just like cover it. And the bottom part here will show how many shots we have took. Yeah, you see, you will feel that it becomes slower and slower. Okay, then wind it. Then only you can continue. Yeah. And when you should finish, press the center button and flip here up to rewind until it suddenly becomes very loose. Okay, and that means okay, and take out the film. So it's quite simple. Yeah. So when you didn't use it, use this to cover the cylinder meter in order to let it adjust very quick. Yeah. Or if you don't have the landscape, you just like put it store like this, you'll be okay.